Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add and remove friends on Discord in just a few simple steps. Start by clicking the Add Friend button at the top of the Friends page, which opens the username entry box directly below it. Type the username of the person you want to add. For this example, I'm using Test Account. Make sure the username is spelled exactly right, as there's no autocomplete here. Click Send Friend Request, and then you'll see a success message confirming your request was sent to that user. Click the Pending tab at the top to view your outgoing friend requests waiting there. This shows everyone you've sent a request to who hasn't responded yet. Click the All tab to return to your main friends list view. Click the three dots menu icon next to the friend you want to remove, which opens the User Options menu with several actions available. If someone's username isn't showing up when you search, double-check the exact spelling and capitalization. Discord usernames are case-sensitive. You can also add friends by sharing your unique friend code instead of typing usernames, which you'll find in your account settings under My Account. If you accidentally remove someone, you'll need to send a fresh friend request. There's no undo button for removals. Incoming friend requests appear under Pending as well, where you can accept or decline them. And that's how to add and remove friends on Discord. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.